What is the value of a pip? Good. That depends on whether you do a standard contract, mini contract, or a micro mini contract. Okay? So, to understand that, we will look at the contract specifications. So, everyone turn to section 1. Sorry, section 2. Everyone turn to section 2. And when you turn to section 2, over there, you will see this. Has everyone managed to get this? Okay. Now, when you're doing currencies, you can either do a standard contract or you can do a mini contract. Now, when you do a standard contract, for example, if you do for pound US, value of every 1 pip for a standard contract is $10. When you do a mini contract, the value of every 1 pip is $1. Okay? So, assuming we make a gain over here of 100 pips, if our gain is 100 pips, and if every 1 pip is $10, then 100 pips is $1,000. But if you do mini contract, then every 1 pip is how much? $100. Correct? All right. So, we saw over here, we have made a gain of 100 pips, correct? Now let's say pound US was 1.9455 and it went to 1.9555. So my question to you is, which currency is going up? Is pound going up or is dollar going up? Very good. Pound is going up. Remember one thing. You will always ignore the second currency so that you never get confused. Why is that? Because if you look at shares, okay, for example, Singtel. If the share price is 1.9455, and if it goes up to 1.9555, we know that the price of Singtel is going up, correct? Now you'll never see Singtel / M1, correct? So shares is pretty straightforward, am I right? So how do you make it simple? The way you make it simple is, in currencies, you ignore the second currency as if it doesn't exist. It exists, but you ignore it. I mean, so if I ignore dollar, and if this number is going up, and only pound exists, dollar doesn't exist, that means what is going up? Pound is going up. Now, if pound is going up, that means where is dollar going? Down. So that's something you must not forget. I mean, okay? So we have calculated our gains, but the question is, to make this 100 pips, what is our capital?